6th grade from Portland, yep, cool. Today we played with our kind of more advanced class. We were playing around with starter steps and how to actually start them a little bit more musically, a little bit more mindfully when we're going through those. So first piece again was just the general idea that I want to map out my followers, like literally how they move to begin with. So I'm shifting from foot to foot, finding that axis in the center, shifting in the comfortable regions where my followers allow it. Yeah. From there we were starting to talk about our groove steps. We had two different kinds of groove steps. We could groove on the ones or we could groove on the twos. Yeah, so grooving on the ones, I go groove, tap, groove, tap, groove, tap, groove, tap. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I wanted to transition into a basic starter step, the triple version, I would just lift a little bit through that 8, reposition my follower through that 8 by repositioning my shoulder hand, and almost make it like we're falling downhill to get into that first triple step, so that my follower knows exactly what's about to happen. Cool? So I'd be hitting the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I was emphasizing this to happen on the phrase change. So the 1 and 2 of the new phrase, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2. Yeah. So we were using the actual starter step itself as the impact of the phrase change, hitting that phrase change. Cool. We also have the tap step version, which is tapping on the 1, moving on the 2s. Tap 4, tap 6, tap 8. So then through there, we would use the 6, 7, 8 leading up to the phrase change to use this one, and then we would have our send out be the impact of the new phrase. So let's say we're going through the 4th 8 and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, moving 7 and 8, hit 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So I'm making musical choices through that. There was a reminder in there that all the downbeats are not created equally, so it's different if I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So technically I'm on time, but I'm out of phase with the music. So kind of in the higher scheme of things, I'm still off time, even though I'm on time. But am I real? Yeah. So we played around with that. Then we started talking about, once we have those really long intros, you can start playing around with how you're going through here. We like to use the moving on 2 version to tap 2, triple, and then just hit the new phrase with the send out, because that was the easiest way to just improvise for a while. Oh hey, the phrase change is coming, let's finish that up and go. Cool. Then we started talking about some breaks. Simple break that we can do is from an underarm pass. We're gonna set it up this way. So from an underarm pass, catching the rib, 1, 2, hit 3. Cool. We used heart attack and vine to keep ourselves, with a predictable hit. It always hits on the 1 of the 4th group of 8. So what we did was a sugar push and then a 3 count break. So that was the 9 counts that we needed to hit that 1. So starting on the 38, we did a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, move 7, 8, hit 1. Cool. That can be our break. We find our way out. We didn't really talk about how that happened. But again, then we started to take the wheels off and allow you to just move however you wanted. So we would be moving through a pattern, kind of keeping in mind of where we are in the 8s, and then we would be through the middle of something, 1, and we hit the 1 wherever it happens. Cool, just making a little bit more impact, making sense like that. Now once we start playing around with other breaks that we didn't quite get to go to, start using those on the major ones, the major phrases. Yeah, because those hits, you don't necessarily need a hard break to hit those. Figure out moving versions of those where you can actually just hit the change of the music. Cool? Awesome, thank you everybody.
Thank you.